AOP Plus, also known as Advertising Operations Plus, is a concept that combines advertising operations, technology, and data management to optimize the performance of digital advertising campaigns. In 2024, making money online with AOP Plus will likely involve leveraging these skills and expertise in a rapidly evolving digital advertising landscape. Here's a step-by-step guide for beginners. Understand the basics of digital advertising. Familiarize yourself with the fundamental concepts of digital advertising, such as display ads, search engine marketing, social media advertising, and programmatic advertising. Learn about AOP Plus. Study the principles of Advertising Operations Plus, including ad operations, ad tech, and data management. Familiarize yourself with industry standards, best practices, and relevant tools. Acquire relevant skills. Develop your skills in areas such as digital marketing, data analysis, project management, and communication. Consider taking online courses or attending workshops to enhance your knowledge and abilities. Network within the industry. Connect with professionals in the digital advertising field through networking events, online forums, and social media platforms. Building a strong network will help you stay updated on industry trends and potential job opportunities. Gain experience. Apply for internships, entry-level positions, or freelance projects in the digital advertising industry to gain hands-on experience. This will help you build a strong foundation in AOP Plus and demonstrate your competence to potential employers. Specialize in a particular area. Choose an area of expertise within AOP Plus, such as ad operations, ad tech, or data management. Focusing on a specific niche will make you more valuable to potential employers and clients. Create an online presence. Develop a professional website or blog showcasing your skills, experience, and expertise in AOP Plus. Share your insights and knowledge through blog posts, articles, or videos to establish yourself as a thought leader in the industry. Offer consulting services. Once you have gained enough experience and expertise, consider offering consulting services to businesses looking to optimize their digital advertising campaigns. You can provide guidance on ad operations, ad tech implementation, and data management to help them improve their advertising performance. Build a portfolio. As you work on various projects, make sure to document your achievements and contributions. A strong portfolio will showcase your skills and experience to potential clients or employers. Continuously learn and adapt. The digital advertising landscape is constantly evolving, so it's crucial to stay updated on new trends, technologies, and best practices. Attend industry events, read industry publications, and participate in online forums to keep your knowledge current. By following these steps, you can establish yourself as a professional in the field of AOP Plus and create opportunities to make money online in the digital advertising industry in 2024 and beyond.